Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We have got a 2-for-1 show for you today. We're making ensalada caprese with a balsamic glaze, or Caprese for short. Now, waiting tables in an Italian restaurant, I heard this salad pronounced a million different ways. Well, one thing was for certain, everyone loves this Italian favorite. And I can't think of a better way to kick off the start of summer than with this sophisticatedly simple salad. Frankly, I can't think of a better way to start off the show than with a sophisticatedly simple bring it. So what you're going to need for the caprese is fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, fresh basil, olive oil, salt, and pepper. For the balsamic glaze, you'll need balsamic vinegar, sugar, and salt. You'll also need for the balsamic glaze a small saucepan and silicone spatula. For the caprese, a sharp knife. We're going to start by preparing our cheese. I'm using fresh mozzarella cheese, which, thank you Trader Joe's, I found it pre-sliced. Score one for the Tiny Kitchen. It saves us a little bit of time. If you can't find it pre-sliced, no big deal. Just slice it into 1/4-inch slices. Next, we're going to slice our tomatoes. We'll slice it about the same thickness as the cheese. Now, you can use any type of tomato that you want. I'm using vine-ripened tomatoes. These work perfect. If you can find some heirlooms, those would be great. And last, we're just going to pick off a few leaves of basil. They pretty much sell this in any grocery store these days. Sometimes you can find the whole plant, which is awesome here in LA. I just throw it out on my balcony and like 3 days later, it's all full of black soot. I love it. Now we're just about 3/4 of the way done. We're just gonna go ahead and arrange these ingredients on a plate, just alternating tomato, a little bit of basil, and some cheese. I'll get the assembly line going here. Tomato, basil, and cheese. Now you could literally serve this now. You just top it with a little olive oil, some salt and pepper, but hey, I promised you a twofer, so we're gonna make a great balsamic glaze that we can drizzle right on top. Let's go back to the stove. Now I've got a saucepan over medium heat. We're gonna add our balsamic vinegar, our sugar, and a pinch of salt. Give this a little bit of a stir. Now we're gonna bring this up to a boil, and once it starts boiling, turn down the heat and let it simmer until it reduces by half. Now this is the consistency we're looking for, so at this point we can take it off the heat. We're gonna let it cool and then we'll plate it up. So check this out, we finish it off with a little bit of salt, some pepper. We're gonna drizzle it with a little extra virgin olive oil, and then we'll top it with our balsamic glaze. Oh, look how rich and thick that is. Tell me that isn't happiness on a plate. And the recipe's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this salad, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make caprese with a balsamic glaze in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. All I need now is a balcony and the Mediterranean. Got a 2-for-1 show for you today. I don't know where. I keep missing myself.
C'è la luna in mezzo mare, mamma mia, m'è maretate. Figlia mia, cuttatore, mamma mia, ci pensa tu.